Yo, what's going on, guys? All Around Reptiles here, and today we are fixing the pond. Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, we are back home. We have the animals.
I've become a plant parent.
So we have a little predicament. This pond is pretty gross right now because I haven't gotten it a full clean yet, but it's pretty empty. That's because there is a bass that will probably come and try to eat my dang fingers. So that means my stock tank full with goldfish can't actually go in here because the bass is just going to eat them all. So we got to get the bass out and put him back into my local pond where I originally got him a year ago. Now we need to drain this pond, get the bass, and show you a new koi fish that I got. We got him. All right, well, I can't lip him, but I did get him. There is the koi. I'll show you him in a second. So that is the new koi that I got. I will show you him in a little bit more detail once I have the pond cleaned. That is the bass we got to take over. That is the monstrosity of a pond right now. It's green.
Why are you
green? I do have to get the power washer out and power wash all of the sides and everything, get all the gunk out, had fresh water, keep getting all the gunk out and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna keep going, and I will see you when that's done. Well, as you saw from that time lapse, I am covered in muck. Doesn't look much better, but we have power washed all of the sides, all of the algae are off the sides. Now we just have to work on all of these rocks, which I can't actually get to the water with this being plugged in. So now I have the ability to use water in a normal capacity, and it's raining. It's not supposed to rain today. It's raining. Love that. I mean, it doesn't matter, I'm already wet. But yeah, we're gonna keep going, even though it's raining now. God blessed. Okay, yep, nope. All right, it has been a good minute. The pond still looks gross, but I'm kind of running out of time and I'm just kind of exhausted. But fish are still in there. I need to transport big bass guy, he's over there. But we're filling it up. There was a little leak on that. I hope I fixed it with some Flex Seal. Now we will officially have this whole pond for these guys. These are the goldfish. Can't really see them very well, but there's a cinder block in there for protection and whatever, because there is a blue heron that comes around and will hurt my pond. That's why I have the net on the pond. Obviously not currently, because there's no fish in it. Look at that koi. That is a new koi I got from a local fish store, which isn't really local, it's an hour away, but who cares? He will be the only koi in the pond for this foreseeable future, depending on if I get a butterfly koi. So in the comments, if you want to name it, go ahead. Also, this is what I pulled out of the pond. This is all just dead leaves, algae, and just nastiness. It's also what's all over my legs because of pressure washing, but yay. All right, pond is clean. The bass is in here. If you want to take a look, look at him. He's not very happy yep, okay, we're just gonna do that. This is the koi that I bought. Did not record it because I didn't think I was gonna get a koi. This thing was ungodly expensive, but here we are. I usually don't net these, but he's a little feisty. Yep, see, now that was into the pond he goes. All right, we're gonna give him probably another week until we actually put the other goldfish in, because I've had issues with bad juju in the pond and them dying from disease. So we're not gonna do that. We're gonna let him chill out a little bit, get used to not having an annoying bass in here that tries to bite my fingers. But we have to go to Barth Pond and drop this guy off. Hashtag safe driving, kids. Douche.
Bro is not a safe driver.
There he is. He's a little guy, but he grew significantly. He was only about to here, and he's definitely grown. But back to the pond we caught him at after a year, and now I can actually have goldfish in my pond because they'll eat them. There we go.
Oh, I thought you were gonna throw him.
No, not that mean. Come on.
But I am.
The pond is looking very, very clear. This still hasn't sunk. It's getting there. The koi is still alive and somewhere inside here, but we have to get out all of these goldfish. It's a little cloudy in there because I just pulled out the cinder block that was in there, but we're gonna pull them all out, put them in here, see how many we have, and then put them into here. Final count in this stock tank was 7 goldfish. There probably is 1 or 2 more goldfish still in here, but it hasn't fully drained yet, so once it fully drains I'll actually fully be able to net out everything. But these are all 7. These 2 big goldfish are last year's goldfish that grew really, really big, but all the other ones died by the bass, and these 2 are beat up by the bass. You can see some of those, especially this guy, his fins are a little beat up, but he's looking good. He is healing well. So we're gonna put him back into the pond to let him keep growing and kind of be the dominant figure in the pond, besides the koi, which is significantly bigger than these guys. So let's put these guys in. All right, we're gonna try to do this one-handed. All of the goldfish are in my net right now. We're gonna let them all go. Oh, one of them got stuck. Let's just get you off the net, buddy. Oh, you're really stuck. There you go. Into the pool. Beautiful, beautiful pond. And they are going to grow like weeds in here. Alright, well, you can see a few of them swimming around like this big guy. The rest of them are going to be in these cinder blocks for probably a large portion of it. There's the koi. Look at him. Holy crap. He is huge compared to them. But I'm going to give him some food, let him rest, and the next thing we'll need to do is put more fish in this. And I'm probably gonna get another around 50 goldfish. We're gonna let them sit in here for a while, and then I'll do another part in actually putting these guys into here, so then we'll have a frolicking amount of goldfish / 1 koi in this pond. Alright, well, it's currently raining outside, and I have 50 goldfish. They've already acclimated, it's already soaking wet, so we are going to get these fishies inside the stock tank, so there's no disease that goes to my pond and kills my koi, because it's happened multiple times. Look at that, 50 goldfish. Some of these are tiny, but that's why they go in the stock tank. Look at that. Yeah, some of them are tiny, but that's why they're going in the stock tank. I might put some of them in the pond. So we have 50 goldfish in here. We have 7 plus a koi in here. Once these guys get acclimated and all that kind of jazz, I will put a bubbler in here. Well, that is going to do it for this video on all reptiles. Hope you guys enjoyed, and this pond you will see at some point again, because it's always clean. Oh my god, there's a toad in the pond! Wait! Well, that's going to do it for this video on all reptiles. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you and hopefully this toad on the next video.